Today, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Forms responses to Sheets or Excel. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze survey data, share results with your team, or work with responses in a different format. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're signing into the account that contains the form responses you want to export. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, navigate to the Recent Forms section where you'll see all the forms you've created or have access to. Browse through and click on the specific form you want to export. This will open up that form and give you access to all its settings and responses. Once your form is open, look at the top toolbar and click on the Responses tab. This section displays all the data collected from your form submissions. Now, to export these responses to Google Sheets, click on the Link to Sheets button. You'll typically find this represented by a green Sheets icon. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can either create a new spreadsheet specifically for these responses, or you can select an existing spreadsheet if you're organizing multiple forms together. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. If you decide to create a new spreadsheet, you'll see a field where you can type in your preferred spreadsheet name. Enter a name that clearly identifies what this data represents, then click Create. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Google generates the spreadsheet and transfers all your form responses into it. This process is usually quite quick, but larger forms with many responses might take a bit longer. Now, if you want to take things a step further and export your data to Excel instead of keeping it in Google Sheets, here's what you do. In the upper left corner of your spreadsheet, click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Download, then click on Microsoft Excel. This will convert your Google Sheet into an Excel-compatible format and begin the download process. Once the download starts, you'll notice in the upper right toolbar of your browser that your download will appear. Simply click on Show in Folder to locate the downloaded Excel file on your computer. You can now open this file in Microsoft Excel or share it with anyone who needs it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Google Forms responses to both Google Sheets and Excel, giving you the flexibility to work with your data however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.